Hello and welcome to Custom Fibre Optics. My name's Stevie and I want to talk about our new Starlight grid tile system and also show you how fast and easy it is to install it. But first of all, I'll show you the components involved in making the system work. So here we have the fibre optic light source, the light splitter and the ceiling tile. The light splitter simply connects to the optical port in the light engine and tightens up with a grub screw. This then divides the light into 15 separate tails. Each tile has its own tail, which then simply connects by a push-fit connection to the light splitter tails. You would then repeat this process until all tiles are completed. So first, I'll grab the fibre optic light source and install it in the ceiling. So that's the light source installed in the ceiling, fixed in place and turned on. Next we're going to grab the light splitter. So that's the light splitter installed, and as you can see, the light's distributed to each one of the fibre optic tails, which I'm now going to drop into each ceiling tile location. Now that that's complete, it's time to install the tiles. So that's it, the tiles are installed. We now have a fully complete Starlight ceiling. The tiles have been installed with the plug and play system. You've seen how easy and fast it is to create your own starry ceiling. These look great as a feature in hotels, restaurants, salons, spas, anywhere in the hospitality industry really. So here is the completed installation. There was no electrical work involved. The tiles actually have no electricity or heat, making them maintenance free. The only serviceable part is the light source itself, which has a life expectancy of 50,000 hours. If you'd like any more information or have any queries, please give us a shout at info@customfibreoptics.co.uk. Thanks for watching.